Hey, it's me, Nikki. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here. And yes, it is Friday. We are down for another challenge. Of course, the challenge I am putting my poor husband through, and his challenger will be Mr. Landeros from the Landeros Fam Bam channel. Check out their channel, guys. The link will be in my description.
It's just gonna be a no. To me, guys.
They don't need that much popsicle.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's real good.
Put the bowl over here so it
nice.
can look pretty. Hey guys, it's me, Nikki, the homemaker. Today we're doing another challenge with that 2-time spicy wing challenge that we saw B-Love and Steph and Tosh. We saw them do. So we're gonna try to beat the 8 minutes that B-Love did. God dang. So we're gonna have to time them, but go ahead and we're gonna drizzle this on. They're not gonna dunk it like B-Love did.
She's crazy. Do I look crazy to you? No, I'm perfectly sane. Sometimes. Why'd you put more on my? No, you gotta drizzle that other shit. Look at her now. Look at her. Why did you like drip?
Alrighty. See what time? Okay. Here we go. Are y'all ready?
You gonna start it now?
Go. Rip it. I'm just kidding. Any feedback? Y'all are quiet.
It's nasty.
It's perfect.
B-Love said they were good.
There's the flames right there. You know what I'm saying? Liquid fire, like she said, right?
Liquid fire. Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah.
Are you chopping? We only got a minute down. Y'all already doing good. Think they might beat B-Love's time.
I think so.
Gene has like 6 left.
Mine when you were?
Yep, he just grabbed from Gene's.
No. My bad, big girl.
So is the fire catching up to y'all?
Yeah.
Babe,
No.
It's very quiet right now.
I know, it's so intense.
Nasty.
Really?
Yeah.
Babe,
Huh. Boy, look.
Okay, 2 minutes and... Wow, I think Gene's gonna do it.
That's about it already.
Gene,
Oh,
don't give up.
he only has a little left.
Go, Gene, go. It's all a mind thing.
Woo. Need Tom Cruise to put that fire out with Scientology. Scientology. No.
said you're always losing.
You're always doing some things I can't say because it's a family channel. But whatever.
Okay, guys, 3 minutes.
Come
I
on,
think
babe.
she's gonna do it. Oh my gosh. I had 10 each on there. There was 20.
We didn't even realize, but Eugene had already eaten his 10th wing, so he finished before the 4 minutes.
That's it. You did it. It's just like,
Quick recap again, Eugene accidentally ate one of Israel's wings, but they both did it, and they both did it at a good time, so I'm proud of both of you guys.
And just like that, guys.
Israel finished
Mm-hmm.
at like 4 minutes and something seconds. Let's see back. Oh, they both finished. They both did it.
They both finished. They both.
All right, where's the paletas?
Jesus.
What was hotter? These are the 2 times spicy noodles.
Noodles.
What?
But these taste like crap. Taste nasty.
More manageable though. More manageable to chew and actually put in your mouth.
Oh.
No, no, napkin.
Got my nose dripping over here. Eye water like some bitch.
Oh, Jesus, take the wheel.
Woo!
So, guys,
Israel can't even talk right now.
how are your lips feeling?
What's more?
You're on fire, guys! God!
Did that tell by the silence?
Gene's not having it right now. Look at him.
I don't like this.
Oh, you got tears and everything. Whoa.
Babe, make a sad face.
Still a sad face.
Well, I'm glad y'all finished it. And y'all had a good time. That was good.
Beat that time, y'all. Yeah, what's up? 8 minutes where?
8 minutes away. You hear that, beloved?
They're coming for you, beloved.
Challenge.
She's still the queen, though. She dunked them.
I know. Yeah, actually.
Well, guys, that was it for the challenge. They both actually finished them, so that's pretty awesome. And I'm kind of proud of y'all. 4 minutes.
Whoop, whoop. Say a lot for the...
Anyways, thank y'all for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And we will see you on the next one. Any last
Don't
words?
forget to go to Landeros Fam Bam YouTube page and subscribe.
Yeah, the link will be in my description area below, so you can check their channel out as well.
You need some milk.
Wow, my mouth is burning.
Boom. Spit. Baby back. Yes, I was. Maybe on next one.
There ain't gonna be no next one, dude.
That's 3 popsicles. 3 popsicles, baby.